Help! You get homework help. Let's go. It's time for some homework help. Maybe you need it, maybe you don't. Maybe you're just tuning in because you just like to do your homework with your teacher. It just makes you feel safe, getting that extra little itty bitty bit of help. But either way, here we go. You should be on page 296 and 297. 297 is where the work's at. 296 has some reading you should look at. This is 297 that you see right now on the screen. 296 has a right angle. Look in the purple box in your book, not on the screen, in your book, on page 296. This is a right angle. A right angle has the same square shape as the corner of a sheet of paper. Name the rays that make up each angle listed below. And we're going to skip that for now. And we're going to go ahead and skip over to the page where the work is actually at, 297, and look at number 8. Model it, that's on the bottom of 296, shows a right angle. Draw a right angle. Then name a right angle in the figure. Well, let's draw it just like this. Let's go ahead and draw a right angle. And it's like a perfect little L, okay? And then you want to pay special close attention to make sure that the little L shape you made has room for like a little box inside. That is the symbol for a right angle. You want to label each point a letter. The top point can be A, the middle point can be B, and the end point can be C. It says to name a right angle. So this is how you name the right angle. You have to go, okay, what is this? Well, it is angle, I'm actually going to type it, angle ABC. That's the name of it, and it's the right angle. Why is it called ABC? Because it has the letters A, B, C in it. And you go in that order too. And it's also alphabetical order as well. I mean, that's it for number 8. Geez, that wasn't so hard, is it? You write the angle, you label it, you name it. You draw the angle, you label it, you name it. You draw the angle, you label it, you name it. Hooray for us. An angle that has a smaller opening than a right angle is called an acute angle. Draw an acute angle. Then name an acute angle in the figure. So they want us to draw it. And it said that it has a smaller opening. So when you think of an acute angle, I want you to think of two lines coming in together to make a smaller space. See how this space is bigger and this space is smaller? We can still mark the angle like that, and we can still name the angle at the top point, at the middle point, and at the end point. But you must understand that it is a different looking angle, isn't it? It's a smaller angle. That's why the word acute makes perfect sense, because it's a cute little angle. Do you get it? It's a cute little angle. Alright, we're moving on. Let's go ahead and name it angle ABC. Ooh, ABC again, because that's what we labeled it. And up here, ABC is a right angle. Down here, ABC is an acute angle. I think I know where they're going next with this. Let's look at number 10. An angle that has a wider opening, than a right angle, but is not a straight line, is called an obtuse angle. Draw an obtuse angle, then name an obtuse angle in the figure. No problem. So this is going to be bigger than that first right angle we drew. And that means that you have to go like a wide mouth. You see how this is like a little mouth? And this is like a medium mouth, kind of? We have to do a wide mouth, a big... Oh, I don't want to do that color. No! I want red. Okay. There it is. And you're like, what? That's it, Mr. Graham? Like, yeah, it's like a big, wide open... It's almost like this wall right here is like falling down to the left. And then that's what you get, and that's an obtuse angle. So you've got, once again, we can name it. The top part's A. This little middle part down here is going to be B, yeah. And here at the end, we're going to put C. And the name of this, again, because that's how we labeled it, is going to be angle ABC. Isn't that smart to call it angle ABC? Angle ABC, ABC. And as you can see, a right angle is like that perfect straight up L shape. An acute angle, it's so cute, it's so little, is like a smaller squeezed in one. And obtuse angle is very wide and it's almost kind of like a fat angle. And the word obtuse almost kind of sounds like obese. And if you've ever heard that, it's kind of like another word for a bigger, overweight, fat, whatever. And it's like a fat angle. Yeah? Kind of help you at all? Maybe? Explain how you could decide whether any angle is acute, right, or obtuse. All right, we're going to finish this in 3 sentences. Right with me. Here we go. A right angle is like a perfect L shape. An acute angle is a smaller cute size. And an obtuse angle, oops, spelled that wrong. An obtuse angle is more like a fatter, wider angle. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's not that hard. There you go. 2 more on the bottom and then we're done. If I switch the page too fast for you, just pause it and you can look at what I wrote. How many acute angles seem to be in this shape? All right. Remember, acute angles are tiny little ones. And that looks like a tiny little one right there. That one, well, you got to think to yourself, this is a perfect L. Does this look smaller than a perfect L? It does. It looks like it's coming down a little bit. And then right here, if I look at it sideways, I kind of have to turn my head a little bit. Here, maybe I can help you out by doing this. Woo-hoo! Oh, whoop, nope, that ruined it. That ruined it. Sorry, hold on. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do, is it going to let me? Oh, it's up here. You know what? They all look rather small to me. Every single one of them looks a little bit smaller than that perfect right angle L shape we're looking for. This one looks close, but it still looks like it's pushed in a little bit that way, you know? So how many acute angles seem to be in this shape? I would say all of them are acute. I would say 3. 1, 2, 3. How many obtuse angles seem to be in this shape? Well, this one actually looks rather small. That's an acute angle. This one right here, that looks rather small also. Ooh, but look at the ones in the bottom. That one's kind of a little fatty, a little bit. And the one right there, yep. See how it's kind of, it's more open. It's more open, like a big mouth, kind of. And those look obtuse to me. So the ones on top look acute, but these ones in red on the bottom, those do appear to be obtuse. So we're going to go ahead and say that it has how many obtuse angles? We're going to say 2 for that. Alright guys, that's all the time we have in tonight's homework. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. No, seriously. Go do your other homework. Bye.